Two full-price cash offers. The terms and conditions were fairly similar, funding checked out, so we went with the one with the quicker closing. Then came the inspection. The buyer was present with the inspector during the inspection and even chatted with the inspector in front of one of the hidden cameras inside the home, so the sellers heard everything. The buyer did not sound concerned about anything that came up except for the deck, which we had anticipated. The buyer's agent called, asked if we were willing to replace the deck. I told him we were. The next thing we knew, the buyer was terminating. I asked why, but the buyer's agent couldn't give us a good reason. He said it was basically death by 1,000 cuts. What was interesting was that in the conversation between the buyer and the inspector, there wasn't anything big other than the deck that came up. I figured that the buyer changed his mind and used the inspection as his way out. So we went back on the market. This is where it gets juicy, but I am out of time, so you'll have to check out the next video.